Nothing's more frustrating than a mower that just won't start. But don't panic, we've got some tips that can help get you up and running. If your mower won't start, the cause could be the weather. When air temperature dips below 50 degrees, your mower is harder to crank because the oil's a little thicker and might need a few extra pulls to get started. When that happens, roll the mower into the sun and let it warm up. Now, if you do a lot of cool weather mowing, consider using Toro's synthetic engine oil, which tends to flow better at lower temperatures, making it easier to start the engine. If weather's not the issue, check the air filter. A dirty filter chokes off air to the engine, making it hard to start. So check to see if yours needs to be replaced. If you need a new filter, be sure to use the original manufacturer's part or the correct Toro replacement. These can often be purchased at your local Toro dealer or a home improvement store. Next, make sure that all your controls and attachments are in the right position for starting. Many lawn mowers have safety mechanisms that won't let them start when the blade is engaged or other controls are out of place. So consult your manual and make sure everything is set where it should be. If you're still having trouble, check your fuel. Today's fuel doesn't age well, so if your gas is more than 30 days old, replace it. Whenever it's possible, try to use non-oxygenated fuel and stay away from gas that contains more than 10% ethanol. Don't buy more than a month's worth of gas and add Toro Premium Fuel Treatment to your fuel when you buy it, since this can really extend its life. Next, take a look at your spark plug. The spark plug lead and connector should be clean and in good condition. The connector should be attached securely to the end of the plug and positioned vertically. If the lead looks good, check the spark plug itself. The bottom should be wet with fuel. If it's not, it's probably not getting fuel. If it is wet and the mower still won't start, you may need a new spark plug. Be sure to use the correct replacement for your engine model. For a mower with an electric starter, also check to make sure the battery is fully charged. If your charger's displaying a red or yellow light, that means the battery's still charging. When the light turns green, the battery's charged. Remember, getting a full charge can take a day or two. Following these tips is usually all it takes to get your mower up and running. If not, get in touch with your Toro dealer and set up a repair. They'll be happy to help you out.